What is going on, everybody in the trader community? This is Trader Josh, also known as BMG or Big Money Gooch, and I am here today to talk about HLBZ, ticker symbol HLBZ. Okay, before I start this video, though, I want to tell you all. Not only do I want to tell you, but I want to remind you all that God loves you all. Don't you ever forget it. Okay, and I want to show you guys a couple things on the chart. Okay, before I get in, I'm not going to read all this. Okay, but I do want to let you know that we have a short-term technical score of 32, and as you guys know, the higher the score, the higher the likelihood of a short squeeze. Okay, and I don't normally see short squeeze happening until the technical scores are around 70 to 90. That's just what I think. Okay, but but we also have that news of HLBZ trying to be accepted with a reverse split. Okay, and honestly, I don't like the idea of a reverse split on this one. Let me know what y'all's averages are in the comments below, and we can go from there. But I know a lot of people are stuck with the average on this one, and I posted a video about 2 weeks on it. If I go back, you see I did do a lot of levels on it, and I almost got this. I thought that we were gonna look like this, go up a little, down a little, and then push up, which we did not do. We went up and down, and then we just kept going down. We really didn't have that steep of an up push, but more like over here we did. But then it came. I didn't even make a video on it. I wasn't looking into it because nobody asked me for an update. Got about 800 views on it, and nobody commented about an update. There's a lot of comments, but not for an update. That's not a bad thing. I always move this thing. I always move my damn line. All right, no, but so I want to give you guys some levels to be looking out for and really paying attention to. Let me get this out of here. Why is my ask coming up? Okay, so let's look. The RSI 13 lines. I don't know if I mentioned it. I just did a video and everything got cut. It didn't even let me edit it or nothing. But so check out. Let's just check out together what's going on with the RSI line. Okay, so as you see, since we pushed up, the RSI was above the EMA. I'm gonna get it down pretty soon here, but the EMA 13 line was over the EMA 30 line. Once we fell under it, we have been fighting to push above it. As you see here, we almost broke above it, but right now they're neck and neck. Okay, and if you look, they're actually following each other's lead right now. Won't get into much about that. For the RSI, EMA, I did it again. For us to push up, before we push up, the EMA line is going to break. The EMA line is going to break above the EMA 30 line, okay? So we're going to need to see something like that. It'll still be moving downwards since it already is right now. But before it moves up any, we will see the EMA 13 line break above it and probably move sideways, or it'll just break above it like it did right here and shoot up, and then the red will follow. And it just reminded me, red and green. I know a lot of you guys like that out there. Okay, now it matches the candles. Okay, so the red indicates a red candle and the green indicates green candle. Okay, for those of you who know what that is. If you don't know what that is, well, you're here to learn. Okay, but just want to let you guys know that now that I changed the colors of the EMA 13 and 34 lines, now we know what they represent. Okay, so let's get right into it. We know that we have found support at 2270 just because we have tested it a few times in the past and in the present. Okay, and when we broke below it, we hit our bottom and shot up. We have not tested that bottom yet. I hope we can test that bottom at 20.50 cent. 20 cents, about 20 and a half cents, as you see right here. And if we test the bottom again, we will definitely either hit 18 cents or we can go right back up to 30, 40, 50 cents, okay? But we need to get this reverse split out of there, okay? Meteorite, just join the Discord. I'm glad to have you in there, man. I'm going to go set you up in a minute after this video in the Discord if you're watching this. But I want to keep this video short, like I said, but also, guys, if we can break above the linear regression channel right here, then we will be seeing Thursday close around 26 cents. And that's some big words to be saying, but I'm saying only if we can break above the linear regression channel, okay? And if we do, that would be great, okay? We could start seeing this thing flip real quick. But also remember, guys, the market don't like to move up with news of a reverse split, okay? So it's possible, but until we get, I will do an update video tomorrow. I'm going to have to do an update on Zilla tomorrow and an update on HLBZ tomorrow. And both of them have news of reverse splits, okay? So I'm going to try to dig deeper in that tomorrow and try to figure out the dates. I know that HLBZ is very, very, like I said, I'll do an update tomorrow on that and we'll dig deeper into it. But until then, check the pinned comment below. It'll be my Discord right there. Let's stay in touch. Let's get this money together. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right. Okay.